Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. And here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
Australia's exports will be released at 1:30 GMT. The Irish gross domestic product at 10 GMT. The Eurozone's retail sales at 9 GMT. Australia's imports will be released at 1:30 GMT. Japan's JP foreign reserves at 23:50 GMT. The US continuing jobless claims at 12:30 GMT.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
US job openings fell to a 10-month low in July, and there were more unemployed people than positions available for the first time since the COVID-19 pandemic. Data consistent with easing labour market conditions and supporting expectations the Federal Reserve would cut interest rates this month. Gold extended its record-breaking rally, powered by softer US jobs data that reinforced expectations of a Federal Reserve interest rate cut later this month, while lingering global uncertainties kept safe haven demand firmly in play. KuCoin cryptocurrency exchange is aiming to capture 10% of the blockchain mining capacity behind the world's largest meme coin, the Dogecoin network, through the launch of a new cloud mining platform.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
The last session saw the Bitcoin rise 0.8% against the dollar. The ROC is giving a negative signal. The euro-dollar pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, rising 0.2%. According to the Williams indicator, we are in an overbought market. The pound gained 0.4% against the dollar in the last session. The ROC is giving a negative signal. The last session saw the Aussie gain 0.3% against the dollar. The CCI is giving a positive signal.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.